Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and welcome to SheModern Saturday. It's been a while. We are now going to try to get back on schedule with our Tuesdays. It's our acrylic series. Thursday is random nail art, reviews, unboxing, whatever it may be. Saturday is SheModern Saturday. So we're going to try and stay on track. We are going to do a summer manicure here today. I have got me some flip-flops, a bikini, and some bare feet. On the nails here before, we have got some pink and like a lime kind of green glitter. This is a pink glittering pigment. That's what we're using. We are going to go in with some glue gel. We're going to apply this on the nail and give it a cure for 30 to 60 seconds depending on your lamp. These new nail stands I've got, I just love them. Tammy got them for me from Tammy's Manis. If you pop over to her station, give her a look up, a look-see, and tell her that Just Nailed It sent you if you haven't already subscribed. You know, to her channel, go give her a visit. Go give her a visit. We are going to take, what are we doing here? Decals are going to go on these nails. I think the pinky nail, we might be putting some neon dots, something to liven it up because of summer. We are going to take a palette. And we're going to tap, tap, tap all over the nail. A little goes a long way, but when you are trying for full coverage, I suggest you cover the nail. So I'm going to take it, start brushing it into the glue. You just need a light touch, you don't need to go heavy with the hand. I think this is super cute. I am going to take, if I can get my brush, I'm going to lightly dust it off. I'm going to go back in with another layer of glue gel. I'm going to stick her back in the lamp for another 30 seconds. I'm going to now start applying the water to my decals. Whoops. I knew at least one of them was going to flip on me. At least one. You might want to dab them down into the water. That way both sides of your decals get water. You just need the backings wet really. We'll put that on for just a couple more seconds. We'll go back to pink pigment. And then we will start adding on our decals. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. You don't want to miss any giveaways or anything important going on the channel. Whoops. So I'm going to pop this back to the lamp for just a quick little 4 more nails before us, and we need to decide where our decals are going to go. I'm thinking the index and the ring finger. So I'm going to put a coat of the glue gel on these nails. We're going to put our bikini with our bare feet. And on the other nail, we will put the flip-flops. We're going to be using our ice cube stamper from Analogy. Whoops. Here is our pink one. It will turn pink slowly. Slowly but surely. I'm going to pop this back in the lamp after putting a coat of the glue gel back on for the glittery dots, or squares, our neon squares. Line them up on the nail. Still going to go over, make sure I've got no air or water bubbles. I think that turned out really super cute. On the other nail, we are going to take the, I call them flip-flops. Tina's sister sandals. Position wherever you want them on the nail. Alright, we are back. Here are the two pigments we used, the green and the pink. I'm going to show you those real quick. Next, we are going to go in with some glittery, I shouldn't call them glittery, but some different colored dots. I just want to put random colors in random places. I want to get some of the orange for sure. If you haven't ever visited SheModern, you might want to head over there. They are the company that all this comes from. Well, these come from Charlie's Nail Art Supply. This comes from SheModern. You might want to head over there, check them out. There. You've got that one nail finished. I think that's really super cute. Karina as well as SheModern. They both have channels here on YouTube. Check them out. Tell them that Just Nailed It sent you. I am a brand ambassador for Charlie's Nail Art Supply. If you'd like to save yourself 10% off your total bill, use my code NailedIt10, all in caps. I'll put that across the bottom of the screen so you can save yourself 10% off your bill. And who doesn't want to save 10%? I mean, you'd have to be bonkers not to want to save, you know, some coins off your bill. Whoops. I mean, I myself love a discount. And I'm sure you do too. We're almost finito. Get me maybe one more here. Yep, there we go. Here is our Manny. We got a couple extra dots. See if I can find them a home. There we go. We are now going to top coat with our Eye Gel Beauty top coat. It is a no cleanse top coat. I love it, love it, love it. I have to have a no cleanse. I cannot deal with the wiping me off. I don't know, I can't do it. With the squares, I do recommend 2 coats on those nails. With the decals, you only need 1 coat. With the squares, I do recommend 2. Just float your brush across the nail. I was going to add some bling and then I decided against it since we got the squares. I don't think we need the bling as well. I think these neon squares really add to it. This being a summer manicure and all. So we're going to pop these in the lamp and we will be right back. They're not just regular SheModern pigments. They are glow in the dark. So I'm going to shut the lamps off now. Or the lights, I should say. And see how wonderful these glow. I think these just are wonderful. I think these are really, really super cute in the glow form. And here is the flip-flops. So now that you have seen and enjoyed the glow, we will turn the lights back on and line our nails back up. I did take the time and off camera put a bow, so there was a little bit of bling here on the nail. Just a little bow from Charlie's Nail Art. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. And you don't miss no giveaways either. Well, I hope you've enjoyed. I enjoyed doing this manicure here for you today. It was a lot of fun. I think the neon squares really added to the manicure itself. I think it's made it really super cute. And check out my pictures on Instagram under just.nailedit. All lowercase. Well, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.